Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to segment subscribers in Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, hover your mouse over tags in the top menu and click Tags. Next, click Create Tag and enter a name for the tag you want to use to segment your contacts. Once you've entered the name, click Save. Your tag has now been created successfully, and you can start assigning it to contacts for better organization and segmentation. From the dashboard, move your mouse over Contacts in the top menu and click Contacts. Here you'll see all of your subscribers. To create a segment, click on the Filter option at the top of the page. Systeme.io allows you to filter contacts using different conditions. For example, you can filter subscribers by tags, email campaigns, automation rules, funnels, products purchased, or other available criteria. Choose the conditions that match the audience you want to target. Once you've applied the filters, Systeme.io will display only the contacts that meet those conditions. You can use this filtered group when sending newsletters or creating automation rules. For even better organization, assign tags to subscribers based on their interests, purchases, or lead sources. Segmenting your subscribers allows you to send more personalized emails, improve engagement, and increase conversions. That's it. You've successfully segmented subscribers in Systeme.io. As a special bonus, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, Wrapped Gift, 100 high-converting email subject lines for affiliate marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Systeme.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.